Ever feel like you're navigating a labyrinth in tech as an ENTJ woman? You're not alone. Today, we're unveiling powerful strategies to break barriers and establish your authority in the tech world. As an ENTJ woman in tech, you often find yourself in rooms where you're one of the few, or even the only, woman present. Feeling daunted, you might think you need to work harder to prove your worth and feel pressured to conform, yet wish to maintain your unique perspective and strengths. Empower yourself with knowledge about your field. Understand the dynamics and use this awareness to your advantage. Be vocal about your achievements and don't shy away from taking credit for your work. Your unique perspective is an asset, not a liability. Despite your accomplishments, you might often feel like you don't truly belong or aren't as competent as others perceive you to be. This imposter syndrome can be paralyzing, leading to self-doubt and underestimating your abilities. Counter it by cataloging or revisiting your accomplishments and positive feedback. Practice self-affirmation and surround yourself with people who support and believe in your capabilities. When self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself of your successes and use them as a foundation to build further confidence. Navigating the tech industry can sometimes feel like a solitary journey, especially when you're in the minority. Building a supportive network may seem daunting, and you might struggle with where to start or how to find allies and mentors who truly understand your challenges. Begin by identifying women-focused tech groups and online communities. Actively participate in these groups, not just as a member but as a contributor. Networking is a two-way street. Offer your expertise and support to others. Seek out mentors who align with your career aspirations. In meetings and discussions, you might feel your ideas are overlooked or undervalued, possibly due to the prevailing gender dynamics. Finding the balance between being assertive and being perceived as aggressive can be challenging. Develop an assertive communication style that is clear, direct, yet respectful. Prepare your points in advance and articulate them confidently. Practice acknowledging others' ideas while firmly presenting your own. If interrupted, politely but firmly steer the conversation back to your point. When it comes to salary or role negotiations, you might find yourself settling for less than you deserve. Hesitation to ask for more may come from fear of seeming demanding or unaware of your market worth. Arm yourself with research. Know the industry standards for your role and experience level. Practice your negotiation conversations with a trusted colleague or mentor. Approach negotiations with a clear understanding of what you want and why you deserve it. Remember, negotiating is not just about salary. Consider other aspects like role responsibilities, professional development opportunities, and work-life balance. As an ENTJ woman in tech, the drive to excel can often lead to long hours and high stress, making it challenging to maintain a healthy work-life balance. You might find yourself constantly juggling professional responsibilities and personal life, feeling like there's never enough time for both. Begin by setting clear boundaries between work and personal life. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency, and don't hesitate to delegate when possible. Learn to say no to non-essential tasks. Incorporate time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking. Encountering unconscious bias in the workplace can be a subtle yet pervasive challenge. You might face stereotypes about women's capabilities in tech or find your contributions being undervalued. This can create an environment where you constantly have to prove yourself. To address unconscious bias, recognize and understand it, and discuss diversity and inclusion at work. Advocate for bias training and diversity initiatives. When facing bias, address it directly and professionally, using it as an opportunity to educate and inform. Build a coalition of allies who support diversity and can help champion your cause. As an ambitious ENTJ in tech, you might aspire to leadership roles but find it challenging to navigate the path there. You may struggle with how to showcase your leadership potential or how to gain the opportunities to lead. Start by seeking opportunities within your current role to demonstrate leadership, such as leading projects or initiatives. Develop a strategic, decisive, and forward-thinking leadership style aligned with your ENTJ strengths. Ask for feedback from peers and superiors to identify areas for improvement. Engage in continuous learning through courses or workshops to enhance your leadership skills. In the tech industry, where competition is fierce, establishing a strong personal brand can be the key to standing out. As an ENTJ woman, you might struggle with how to effectively showcase your unique skills and experiences to gain recognition. Identify what sets you apart and align your personal brand with these strengths. Be consistent in how you present yourself, both online and offline. Contribute to tech blogs, forums, and discussions to showcase your expertise. Engage in speaking opportunities at industry events. Utilize LinkedIn and other professional networks to build your presence. Understanding the roadmap for career advancement in tech can be complex. As an ENTJ woman, you might feel unsure about the next steps to take, whether it's seeking a promotion, changing roles, or even exploring new areas within tech. Start by clearly defining your career goals and what success looks like for you. Seek roles and projects that align with your strengths and career aspirations. Don't hesitate to explore lateral moves if they offer growth opportunities. Regularly assess your career path and be willing to adjust your goals as needed. Networking plays a crucial role here. Connect with people in roles you aspire to and learn from their journey. As an ENTJ woman in tech, you possess a unique set of strengths like strategic thinking, decisiveness, and a natural inclination for leadership. However, the challenge lies in leveraging these traits in an environment that may not always recognize or value them. Embrace your ENTJ strengths by actively seeking roles and projects where these traits can shine. Use your strategic thinking in planning and executing complex projects. Be decisive in meetings and discussions, showing confidence in your choices. Don't shy away from leadership opportunities, even informal ones. In the tech industry, having a mentor can be a game changer, especially for women. You might feel uncertain about how to find a mentor who aligns with your career goals or how to be a mentor yourself. Begin by identifying potential mentors within or outside your organization who embody where you aspire to be. Reach out to them with specific goals for what you hope to learn. Be proactive in these relationships. Likewise, offer mentorship to others. Sharing your knowledge can help solidify your own understanding and build your reputation as a leader. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and staying up to date can be daunting. As an ENTJ woman, you might struggle with finding the time and resources to continue learning while balancing other responsibilities. Prioritize learning as an integral part of your career development. Set aside regular time for education, whether it's attending webinars, enrolling in courses, or staying updated with the latest industry trends. Choose learning opportunities that align with your career goals and interests. In a fast-paced and competitive field like tech, setbacks and failures are inevitable. As an ENTJ woman, you might find these challenges particularly disheartening, affecting your confidence and drive. Cultivate resilience by viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. When faced with setbacks, take time to analyze what went wrong and how you can learn from it. Maintain a positive yet realistic outlook. Surround yourself with a supportive network that can offer perspectives and encouragement. Despite advancements, the tech industry still has a long way to go in terms of diversity and inclusion. As an ENTJ woman, you might feel passionate about contributing to this change but uncertain about where to start. Begin advocating for diversity and inclusion at work, and participate in or initiate related programs. Use your natural leadership to mentor and support underrepresented groups in tech. Be vocal about your experiences and insights, contributing to the broader conversation about diversity in tech. In your journey as an ENTJ woman in tech, you're not just breaking barriers, you're paving a new path. Embrace your strengths, seek growth in every challenge, and foster change. You have the power to redefine the tech landscape, one breakthrough at a time.